So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about the kidneys. So ensure to stay till the end of this video because this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you'll get a free biology exam revision series for you to test your knowledge. So the kidneys are very important in the maintenance of homeostasis. They basically act as filters to clean the blood. They make urine by taking waste products out of the blood. So substances are filtered out of the blood as it passes through the kidney. This process is called filtration. Also, useful substances like glucose, some ions, and the right amount of water are then absorbed back into the blood. This process is known as selective reabsorption. So substances that are removed from the body in urine include urea, ions, and water. So let us see these in detail. Proteins can't be stored by the body. So any excess amino acids are converted into fats and carbohydrates, which can be stored. This process occurs in the liver and involves a process called deamination. Ammonia is produced as a waste product from this process. So the ammonia, which is toxic, is converted into urea in the liver. Then urea is transported to the kidney, where it is filtered out of the blood and excreted from the body in urine. Also, ions such as sodium are taken into the body in food and then absorbed into the blood. If the ion content of the body is wrong, this could upset the balance between ions and water, meaning too much or too little water is drawn into cells by osmosis. Having the wrong amount of water can damage cells or cause them not to work normally. Some ions are lost in sweat. However, this amount is not regulated. So the right balance of ions in the body must be maintained by the kidneys. The right amount of ions are reabsorbed into the blood after filtration, and the rest is removed from the body in urine. So water balance has to be constantly maintained in the body. The body has to constantly balance the water coming in against the water going out. We lose water from the skin in sweat and from the lungs when breathing out. And we can't control how much we lose in these ways. So the amount of water is balanced by the amount we consume and the amount removed by the kidneys in urine. So the concentration of urine is controlled by a hormone called antidiuretic hormone. This is released into the bloodstream by the pituitary gland. The brain monitors the water content of the blood and instructs the pituitary gland to release antidiuretic hormone into the blood according to how much is needed. The whole process of water content regulation is controlled by a negative feedback mechanism. This means that if the water content gets too high or too low, a mechanism will be triggered to bring it back to normal. So this is how it works. When the water content of the blood is low, a receptor in the brain detects that water content is low. Then the coordination center in the brain receives the information and coordinates a response. And then the pituitary gland releases more ATH, so more water is reabsorbed from the kidney tubules. So if the water content becomes too high, the coordination center again will receive information and then coordinates a response, and then the pituitary gland releases less ADH, so less water is reabsorbed from the kidney tubules. So guys, here is a free practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.